Hi everyone, this is JC Dome House. In this video, I will introduce you with our main dome series and including our product components, key features, and also optional upgrades. We will also have a brief introduction of packing and shipping. We have three core products: classic dome, capsule dome, and boat house. They are modular semi-permanent structure, could be used for 10 to 15 years, perfect for camping, glamping, resorts, restaurants, and courtyard spaces. The main body includes PC panel, dome top cover, door, window, top and bottom aluminum alloy profiles, side LED strip, and curtain. All components will be bolted or screwed together and next to be fixed to a platform. High-strength PC panels interlock tightly with bolts and glue to ensure sealed seams. Rainwater definitely won't get inside. The aerodynamic spherical shape also improves wind resistance. Curved walls divert airflow and reduce wind pressure. The standard dome house comes with thin curtain. We have upgraded choices like motorized top curtain tracks, thick curtain, side PC light strips, top and bottom light strips, smart door locks, and exhaust fans. As for raw materials, our polycarbonate is from Bayer, Germany, good from -50 degree to 120 degree. It's impact resistant, anti-yellowing, and Class B1 fire rated. Frames are made from aerospace grade aluminum alloy, strong and rust free. We value details using top class 304 stainless steel accessories. All parts will be well packed before shipment. Small orders will be packed in a wooden box. Bulk orders go in containers. The larger the quantity, the lower shipping cost per unit. Installing one dome only takes half a day. We provide complete guiding videos step by step for easy assembly. Please contact our sales team to choose sizes, configurations, and confirm your PI with order details. Thank you for your watching.